Welcome to the Voluson Performance Series video tutorials. Image Management. The Voluson Performance Series allows for multiple ways to store and send images, clips, and volumes. There are 3 print hard keys to allow multiple print and storage configurations. Icons on the monitor indicate if a print button is configured to save or send, for still images or clips, and more. Multi-frame or cine clips can be stored automatically by selecting the print key without selecting freeze. Clips are stored with a predetermined length backwards from when the freeze or print key was selected. The print key can also be programmed to store a clip prospectively, meaning that the clip starts once the print key is selected, then stores a predetermined clip length. Prospective clips are indicated on the icons with a forward arrow. Customization of the print keys can be done in the Utilities menu by selecting Utility on the console and selecting Setup from the display menu. Once in the System Utilities, select the Connectivity button on the display menu, then select the Button Configuration tab. From here, individual print buttons can be selected for configuration. Choose whether to save images to the system, send to a DICOM device such as Viewpoint or other PACS destinations, send to a printer, or a combination of these choices. The button can also be configured to add images to the worksheet, control recorder operations, or send images directly to Trisify. The Detailed Setup tab is used to customize additional configuration details for 2D images, Doppler and dim mode, 3D and 4D. Single will always capture a still image, regardless if the system is in freeze or run mode. Cine enables the button to always store a multi-frame clip, regardless if freeze is selected. The automatic setting is intuitive. If the freeze key was selected prior to store, the image will be stored as a single image. If the freeze key was not selected, the image will be stored as a multi-frame. The length of the clip can also be defined here, and whether those clips are to be stored as retrospective or prospective clips. Included in the 3D customization choices are Single Volume, Static plus Calc Cine, and Screenshot. Single Volume will allow a volume to be recalled at a later time for manipulation utilizing Voluson raw data. Screenshot saves only a bitmap of an image, so the file size is reduced for storage, but there are no raw data capabilities. Static plus Calc Cine allows for any 3D rotations to be stored as a clip. 4D customization choices are similar to 3D, but there are the additional choices of Single Volume and Volume Cine. Volume Cine saves multiple volumes in sequence showing movement. Single Volume will store only the last volume from a 4D sequence. The print keys can also be customized to send images directly to a USB drive. This is ideal for quick export of images. However, care should be taken, as these images will include the patient data that is seen in the image header. More information on image export can be found in the Archive Management video tutorial. Occasionally, network errors may result in failure of images to send. If this occurs, the F4 key on the alphanumeric keyboard will show an image spooler, which shows images which have failed to send from the Voluson. Once network errors are resolved, images can easily be resent from the spooler. It is also important to check the spooler periodically in case images remain, so they can be deleted to free up hard drive space. The Voluson systems offer a robust and easy-to-use archive package to help meet your daily image management needs.